Okay, so now everything is fine now. Come on.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we move on now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Sure. Okay, so now what we will do now, next what we will do now, guys, at the rate, if we want to make this class as an entity class, which annotation we will apply now? At the rate?
At the rate entity.
Yeah,
Entity.
good.
Entity.
At the rate entity. Now, after then what we will do now? At the rate,
At the rate data.
data, right?
Data.
At the rate.
Hmm. Another one,
At the rate
another,
ID.
yeah. At the rate, I want, what is that? To create,
At the rate table.
okay,
At
book.
the rate
Table.
table.
Let's see that. Okay, good only, book only we will take. Okay, no need to create our own. Now again, at the rate, we need, what is that? All constructor also.
All
Are constructor.
All are constructor. Now need, what is that? No are constructor also.
No
our
constructor.
Okay, fine now, guys. Good, very good.
Required args constructor.
No, not that one. No need. Okay, no need. Okay, because we are not going to perform what one single. So please switch off the camera. Okay. So what is that? At the rate ID here. What is that? At the rate ID we will take. Okay. Another one is what? At the rate column. I'm taking. Inside that, what I'm going to do now? Name equal to what? B name. B ID. I'm taking, right? B ID.
BID.
Yes.
ID.
Another one is what? Another one I'm taking what? B name, right?
B name.
Another, yeah, another one is I'm taking what? B name and B author, right? B author.
The author.
B author. Another one I'm taking what? Another one I'm taking what? B cost.
B cost.
B cost, right? Another one I'm taking what? B
B
type.
type.
B type.
B type. Okay, this data I'm taking now. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, good, very good. Okay, so now next one is what? Let's write what? To perform, what is that? JPA database operation. We will write one JPA interface, right? Now what I'm taking now? Interface. So here I'm taking what? com.rk dot what? Book what? Book JPA.
Repository.
Okay, book JPA. Now here I'm taking book JPA
Book repository.
repository, right? Now finish. Now here what we will do now? Extend JPA repository.
JP repository.
Okay, here what we will pass? Book. Okay, and here what we will pass? Integer ID number, right? Integer ID number. We will pass the integer ID number. Okay, fine now, guys. The thing is completed. Till now the thing is completed it, right? So next one is what? Next what we will do now? We will write the, let's save the data. Some data we have need to save it. So what we will do now? We will write one runner class, right? Runner class. So what is that? com.rk.book runner. Runner I'm taking, right? So what is that? Book runner I'm taking, right? Now, okay, finish it. So what I'm going to do now? Implement.
Command line runner interface.
Yeah, good, very good.
Command line runner.
Command line runner. Okay.
Runner.
Runner interface.
Okay, inside that one abstract method is there, shift s plus v. Now find it now, guys. So to make the class,
Run method.
Create component at the rate component.
yes, to create the object of what? This class IOC container will create. Now, okay, here what we will do now? We will take the reference of what? Private. What is that? Book.
Repository
Book
interface.
JPA repository.
Yes, good. Okay, so now what is that?
Sir.
So then next what we will do now? We will make
Auto wire. Apply.
at the rate auto wire. Fine now, guys. So now first what we will do now? We will store this data inside that what is that inside the class, right? What is that inside the table? Okay, so it will create what is that this data we have need to store it, right? So what I'm going to do now, let's see that. Okay, so we seen that what is that in the last to save one multiple batch of record inside the database in the single search. What method was there now, guys? Anyone remember now?
Save all.
Sorry.
Save all.
Save
Good,
all.
good,
Save
very
all.
good.
Save all.
Yeah,
Save all.
save all method is there, right?
Arrange as a list.
Arrange.
Now here inside that what we will do now, let array dot
Arrange as a
Arrange
list.
dot as list of.
Lovely.
after taking the what dinner, everyone became what energetic, right?
As list.
Good.
Length also increase.
Yes.
Actually, that is nice idea after 1 hour break.
Yes, good.
Everyone got refreshed.
Okay, so now fine now, guys. Here what I'm going to do, book dot. Hey, again, parameterized constructor is not coming here.
Update.
Okay,
Argument
Required
constructed
argument.
Save the project.
Yes, sir. Model class no argument constructor take a part before all arguments constructed.
no annotation we can apply anywhere, man. What are you talking about? That see here is showing now.
Please update one project.
Okay, let's take this one.
And
But if we take the required, then here we have need to pass what? Not null.
Non-null.
Non-null, not null.
I think not required are constructor here.
Yeah, now find it, right?
Yes, Ravi, that is not required. Required as constructor.
Yeah.
No is also not required. I tried.
Sorry, which one?
No is also not required, Ravi.
Yes,
Directly
no
all
R
are full working.
constructor is not required. Yeah, good. Okay, so fine, come here now. What we will do now here, new book, right? I'm taking book. But still it's not coming, man.
Maven update Ravi
Update
once.
the project.
update
Once Maven
You
project
update the project, yet clean the project.
Okay, I will update it now.
Ravi, first all projects are unrelated close, then you can update. Then fastly update.
Sorry?
All unrelated projects you can first close all projects.
No, I'm not updating full project. Just I'm updating only one project. A continuously don't actually, talk. Yeah, 1 minute. I will do that. See in the book, right? Already here book integer parameterized constructor is there, but outside is not coming. Means what? Whenever I'm using here that I knew what is that book. See, there is no parameterized constructor is showing now.
Ravi, earlier you used object, no book equal to new book. Try to create like that.
Yes, okay.
In the previous project also you did like that only.
Yes,
book equal to new book.
Now delete it, right?
Now try it will work. It will come out.
Sir, no argument constructor is mandatory.
Sorry?
No argument constructor you are hide. So that's why parameterized constructor is not coming.
No, that is not required. NOAS is not required. I tried it. Without that I got it.
Okay, that one also no need, na?
Yeah, NOAS is not required.
But no as I removed, right?
Yes, yes.
All our constructor need and a required as constructor need, right?
Yeah, that is correct one. What you read is correct.
Why it's not coming here? All our constructor means what? But it's still in the book. See here in the here book an integer constructor is there now, but it's still why it's not coming here? I don't know.
Can you click on Control yes, save it. Control yes.
Already I saved it.
Sir, application dot property file you are taking employee.
Application dot property.
The files you are taking earlier you are copy in employee. You will change the application name.
Why we will change the where application name? We will change it now.
Ravi, not sure. Can you please try with the @ value that is containing all?
At the rate value now.
Yeah.
Why we will take the @ value?
Actually, it is containing all this stuff, and then so not sure, but one time I tried it.
Arey man, what are you? You are going out of track only. Okay, no need. Okay, but
No,
here
no, @ value by Lombok only. I'm just talking about
at the rate, what is that?
value. Value.
1 minute. I will check it that one also. But before 1 minute, I'm
Yeah.
Maven project.
Actually, it should be work all args are with no or combination.
Update it. One minute, guys.
Maybe import the package, Ravi, book package.
Hmm?
Import the package book.
Yes, I will import it now. Okay. So okay, I'm doing one thing. Okay. Last application, which one application was there? Is Spring Boot Data JPA2 second application, and this application was there, right? Inside this model class, let's see that model class employee was there, right?
No argument constructor taking before
Non-null. At the
Not
rate non-null.
no, not null. For that purpose we are taking, right? One, then I have need to apply this
Required
one.
as constructor. One more.
1 minute. Okay, let's create this one only, right? Let's take these things. Okay, copy this data, and here what we will do now, we will paste it here, and here let's make this one also at the not null only, guys. Okay,
Non-null.
Non-null.
yes, I'm doing now. Non-null. Fine. Okay, so now what I'm doing now, just see this. Oh, this is right. Okay, so inside this one, what we are seeing now, one parameter is not okay. Okay, it's there. Okay, if it's there, so fine now, guys. Okay, so let's see that. Let's see this one again. What it will be? We will see that. Okay, what is that? I'm creating book b equal to what? New
Ravi, we have some other book in other packages. Can you
Sir,
import the package?
sir, inside the book some errors are there.
Inside book, yeah. No, no. Oh, yeah, this one.
Sir, not now import is could delete.
Yes, correct, right? Okay.
Yes.
Here book we imported b dot what? New book is there, right? Now it's came. Now it's came, guys. Okay. So fine.
Yeah, now.
Yes, you can remove that no args constructor also. Ravi.
Sorry. Leave it.
No
Okay,
args
leave it.
constructor.
No, don't bother about that. Let's proceed our next level. Okay. If it's working now, we will see that later. Okay. Be it book dot. Okay, book dot what? Okay, this is the right. This is fine now, guys. So what I'm going to do now, based on that our what? Based on that our things only, right? What is that? What is our 101, right? Just remember these things, guys. Please let me know that what 101. Record in number is what? 101. Here what? Ravi, right? Ravi. And here what?
No, C Java, I
Sorry,
think.
4
Author,
Java. Okay, C
yeah.
Java.
Author is, yeah, C Java.
C Java.
Yeah, book author is Ravi.
Second book.
One red
300.
comma is there. Yeah, correct.
Okay, so here what is that? Book cost, right?
Price.
Cost.
Cost.
300.
300.
Anything, okay. 300. Book type, what is that? Backend.
Backend.
Book type what? Backend, right? One data is ready now. Okay, guys. So another one is what? Now another data, right? 102. 102. What is that?
A Java, advanced Java.
Advanced Java Sudhir, right?
Advanced Java.
Sudhir. Okay.
400.
Backend only this
400.
one. Copy this one. Paste it, right? And here what will be there now? Come here, right? Sudhir backend. These two, okay, HTML, Padma, and front end, right? Padma 100. Front end, okay. Another one record is what? HTML, JavaScript, such. Oh, Satish, okay, oh, no problem.
One not 3, 104.
What is that? JavaScript.
JavaScript.
JavaScript, right? Our
Yes.
name is what? Not Satish. Oh, control end. Front end.
Front end.
Another one is what? Oracle, right?
Backend.
Oracle.
Raj.
backend, right? These are the data is there. Now I'm going to
Double END added. Double
Sorry?
end. Back end END double.
In backend में double ended.
correct, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now shall we run the application now, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Okay,
Yes, sir, sure.
so now come
We
where
need to
we will go.
create, right?
This is right.
Properties.
Now right click, run as what? Spring Boot application. Yeah, what we are getting the message now, guys? Object is saved, right? What we are getting the message now?
Yes.
Object is saved. Now come,
Object save.
yeah, come in the database. Now right click, refresh the database. The book table is created. Now delete this one. No need to drop. Okay, this is the book. Open, view the data, right? What is that? All record is came or not, guys?
Yes. Yes. Came.
Okay.
Yes.
So now fine. All record is scheme now. So our what is that? Our next level discussion is what? Our next level discussion is what? Come here. In here, what is that? To performing. What is that? To generating using what is that example class? What will happen? Generating dynamic where condition, right? Where condition to generate what is that? To see that. Okay. So now I'm going to write the logics now, guys. Here. So these are the data is there already in the table. In the table, these data is there. Now I'm going to comment this line, okay? Because already the data is stored now, right? And in the property file, what we are taking update, right? Yeah, update is there. Good, very good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting this code because data is already stored now. Okay, so what is that? Now see that. Okay. Okay, so what is that? I'm creating here book object. Book b equal to what? New book, right? New book I'm creating. Okay, book object. Now what I'm going to do now, b dot what? Set. Based on that our explanation, guys, we are going now. See that what book I'm created, and I'm searching with in the table. From the table, what I'm doing now, I'm searching the backend books only, right? Backend book only. So what I'm doing now, set what is that? Set back end with the type, right? Type is what will be there? Backend book I need, right? All backend book I need. Copy. Paste it here, right? Okay. So how we can able to create that dynamically where condition, how we can create dynamically generate it now? Example class is there where in the interface, that is the example interface is there, right? Example what? Interface is there. Now fine now, guys, example interface. Okay, no need generic type. Dot, what is that? Off method. We will call what? Off method. Okay, off will take the book argument, right? Book argument. Okay, here we will pass it. Here we will pass, and this one will return what is that? Same example only. Okay, same example only, right?
Book.
Just example. Example. Okay, fine. So now fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next operation what? This one. Then we will call the Which method now? Which method we will call it now, guys? List of book, right?
Repo dot
Find all. Find all. So what we will do now? Repo dot find all. Which one? This example input, right? This one. And inside that, what we will pass? Example, right? We will pass what? Example now. Okay, fine now, guys. It will return what? This method will return what now? List of book.
List of book.
Ravi,
List of books.
Yes.
here is set book type or get book type.
No. We will set now. We will set what is that? Null. Null by default value is null. If we want to set the object, right? Data, then what we will set? We will first set, then null will remove, right?
Okay. Sorry.
Yes. Good observation. Okay, we are getting now. Okay, so what we will do now? List dot what? For each. Okay, list. System dot out colon print. Now shall we run the application and what? 1, 2 and what? 101, 102, 105. Our desired result will be there, right? Come on, guys.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so this is our desired result. Let's see that we are getting that desired result or not. Hey, what happened? One minute. List fast. Yes, Y, yes, T, M, data, PRINT. Find all, okay?
For each part is correct, Ravi.
Sorry?
In query, it
For
is
each part
taking
is
all as
correct.
null. If you check the condition in query where condition, it is taking name as 0. Like
Yeah, just we can directly jump to the query part.
If not much, right? Not much, every data we can get it, guys. One minute. One minute, guys. Right click, run as what? Set book type, right? Here what? I'm passing this book reference. Okay, correct. One minute, guys. Okay. This one. Correct. This is the correct only. Why it's not giving the response?
Ravi, can you please, instead of iterating over the list, can you please print the list so we can just come to know whether list is itself coming null or is there
Sorry?
any issues?
Sorry?
Can you just print the list object?
List object.
Ravi, in query itself, there, yeah, in query itself, right? Book cost equal to 0, it is taking where condition.
List. I'm printing the list only, right? Please unmute yourself. Actually, sorry, mute yourself, guys. It's empty now. List is not coming, guys. Okay, something wrong is there. The data is there. Okay, no, refresh it. Okay, Ravi is there. Core Java backend, right?
Ravi, can you please copy that query and just paste into some like notepad editor or some, so we can just analyze the query part.
Sorry.
Query, I'm just talking about. Hibernate query, can you please copy that and paste into the notepad plus or something so we can analyze that?
Yeah, I will. Okay, 1 minute. I will again run the application now. Run it. Everything is what null is going.
Ravi, in query where condition,
Sorry, 1 minute.
B dot cost is equal to 0.0. Is it the case?
yeah, book cost, it is taking 0.0.
It's okay. Only it will check what is that I told initially only, na? Not null value only. So this is the query now.
No, here it is the B type is equal to question mark, and after that and condition is added. That is for the book cost. That is 0.0.
Book type, right? Book type is question mark. Means what?
Yeah, after that and part is there, right? And book after the book cost is equal to 0.0.
Yeah, and what is that? Book type is
Book
there and
cost
what?
is equal to book cost is there, and that is 0.0. So I think that is a default value for the default. It is provided by default.
Oh, good
Double.
observation.
Yeah.
Who's that fellow? Who's that? I appreciate you, man. Who's that? Where that person? Who's that? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Good analysis. Unmute yourself. Who's that?
Ravi, this is me, Sachin.
Sachin. Very nice, Sachin. Okay, na? See this. Okay. Come in the model class. Very good observation, man. What is that? Here I taken what is that double, right? Take this one as what? Wrapper type, not over. Then it will become null, right? It's need all data as a null. Good observation, man. Very nice. Appreciated you. Okay. Appreciated you. So now fine, guys. So now let's run the application again. Good observation, yaar. Okay. So now right click, run as the application. Okay, but it's still not coming. Null by default value, right? But observation is very nice, man. But it's still okay, no problem. It's good. But what we are doing now, we are nothing here doing, right? No, yeah, list, right? List. We will print it
Yeah, we
also,
need
right?
to print a list there.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
Right now
Very
output will become.
yes. See, small things will come. Okay, it's not meaning that everything will go smooth only, guys. Okay, we are facing the problem and we are learning the things. See that I learned from the Sachin only, right? See, we are getting the result now, guys. Okay, currently we are getting, because whenever we will use the example class, right? Everything should be what, a wrapper type only. All model class data is what, wrapper type only. Okay, wrapper type. Okay, so because of good observation, I appreciate it really with the whole extremely. I appreciate you, Sachin. You guys have the good.
No, actually, the thing is that actually I have just came that by experience only. So
So,
for the domain class, it should be wrapper only.
okay, very nice. Okay, so wrapper only, right? Wrapper only. So now come here in here. What we are going to do now? Now let's take, what is that list? List dot what, for age, right? For age. Inside that what, system dot what, out dash there. Sorry, println, right? Good, very good. So now see this. Now currently we will get the our desired result. Okay. Now run the application. See this what, 101, 102 and 105, right? 105. What is that? And but we are not getting which record now? Which record we are not getting now, guys? Satish. Satish is front end,
Front
and what
end.
is that?
Front
First
end.
one. Now see this
Front end.
dynamically our application is generating or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
now
yes.
one more question now. Okay, no backend book I want, and what is that? Based on that author only. So what we will do now? Here I will set it. B dot what? B dot set. B dot set, right? B dot set author name, right? Author name I'm taking what? Ravi, right? What is that? Based on that Ravi only, capital letter all, right? Ravi, right? I'm taking all capital letter, right? All capital letter. Now come inside that application, right click, run as on Spring Boot application. Now observe the console now, guys. Only one record we will get. See this, only book, only what is that? Ravi author is only one backend book we are finding now, right? Got the point now, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine. Now let's understand the real time scenario, guys. Okay, let's understand just what we are doing now. We are giving one screen to whom? End user, right? We are giving to one screen to whom? End user, right? So just think about that. This is the screen is there. Screen is there. This is one. I'll increase the font now. Okay. Okay. Yes. CREEN screen, right? I'm giving what? Search screen. Search. What is search? Screen. Search screen, right? I'm giving to end user, right? End user, what is that? End user search screen, right? Just think about that. This one I'm giving, right? This one I'm giving. Okay. Inside that, what I'm giving to end user, what is that?